Go, Daddy.
Ito lang.
Video natin.
Kasama sa bag.
Yung ano?
Hindi.
Ay, iba pa yan. Extra ano yan. Ganda ha. Tapos meron pa dito. Sino yan? Mega Chichi.
Sino yan, Becky?
Disney. Walang na. Ayun, meron pa.
Dream Kingdom. Maze naman.
Pag sa ano, pagka November.
Hindi, pero magano tayo? Horror nito. Pwede pa nandala yung mga minudo-minudo.
We're here inside. Oh my God! Ayun na. Lazy River ito. Tapos dito yung continuation.
Tell us 1, 2, 3.
Oh, sorry!
Tell us 1, 2, 3, okay? So we know.
Ito, ang dami.
Maluwag, no?
Maluwag.
Pag wala po masyadong tao kasi 11 pa lang. 11 yung bukas nila. Maganda dito, may pambata ba yan? Hanap muna kami ng pwesto namin.
Sige, ayan.
Okay. Sure na play na. Dito yung mga pambata. Excited na kami. Nandun na siguro kasama yung mga friends mo. Sunbathing pa. Mia, sit down. Hello. Hi, Dad. Dress muna kami. Pakita mo yung alps mo, baby. Si Mia mo yan naman.
Yung pinapalaro niya na yan.
Asan yung mga bata natin? Hi!
Pakabiglang mo muna yung ano, yung pin niya.
Ice cream mode muna. What flavor is that?
Ito sa green? Ha? Anong flavor? Ha?
Ano daw?
Cookie dough.
Cookie dough. Ooh! That sounds good.
Thank you ka.
Hi, baby. That's the abs. Ooh. Sexy ni daddy. Si Julian din, no? Can you see your abs, Julian? Wow, daan. Nandito pa rin kami. Si Mia nakatulog na. Feeling ko hindi na kami makapunta sa water. You okay? John, say hi. Yun lang.
Pagbawa na yan.
Sarah.
Pero tawa-tawa siya.
Hello guys. Ang itim namin. Oh, ako may itim.
Ako.
Ang itim pa ba, Dede? Dede. So, magdadrive na kami papunta sa friend's house ng friend namin. Hindi namin kakain ng dinner. Tapos ang shiny ng mukha ko. Look at that. Kasi yung araw parang kalbo. Yikes. Ayan. Ang itim ko. Hi! Si Mia. Hi.
Sarap chicken.
At saka masarap yun. Bye-bye! Bye! Mia! Kiss! Kiss mama! Kiss mommy! Kiss! Hi! Say hi! Hi! Ay? Oh! Pick it up! Pick it up! Dirty! Up! Oy! There's ants! Ew! Look! Look! Ew! Get up! 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 Ew! 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 Ew!
If you're happy and you know it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, and your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Clap your hands.
Tahimik din. Dali!
Galing tayo din siya. Ano ba? Hop, hop, hop like a bunny. Hop, hop, hop like a bunny. Hop, hop, hop like a bunny. Hop like a bunny. Hop, hop, hop.
Pati siya eh.
This is... Hindi ko umpisahan yung konti.
Ano doon?
Mamaya pakita natin kay mami yung dance step natin.
Daddy,
Yeah.
Daddy,
Oh.
Ah,
Oh. Tapos?
10 times daw.
10 times? Oh,
5 muna.
Oh. Ganun. Yung step. Ah.
Tinuturo yung step.
Galing.
Tita, Ma,
Where's Mia? Where's Mia? Where's Mia? Did you swim today? Did you swim?
Daddy,
Swimming?
Daddy,
Water? Daming water?
Daddy,
What happened sa slide? Ha? What happened?
Bumalik.
Sa slide, what happened? You bump your head?
Nabump niya yung head niya na. Nabump.
Ouchie? Yung head mo? Yan, na ganun.
Oh, like that.
Oh. Pero you're okay. Sa ano na? Okay ka na? You okay? Are you hungry?